dear students. Today we are going to do a problem from accounting for liquidation of companies. Apart from the previous problem, here we need to find deficiency account also. That is the difference between previous video and this video. Okay, please go through that previous video also so that you can complete statement of affairs, liabilities, etc. Example number 2. In this question, I have made one change, that is calls in arrears equity shares estimated produce 1200. I have added this amount because in your answer it is given as 1200 instead of 2000. So I have added this amount to your question. You may also please add this amount to your question. And doing the answer statement of affairs, you need to prepare cash in hand, bills receivable, sundry debtors, calls in arrears, stock in trade, land and building, and investment. All these items are given in your and question, and you need to take only the realizable amount, and you will get the sum total of 5,35,600. I'm not explaining it in detail because I have already done a similar problem before. Okay, so you may please refer that video too. Assets specifically pledged as per list B. We are taking plant and machinery for this because in the question you can see that plant and machinery secured to creditors estimated to realize 1,60,000 rupees. The company has secured plant and machinery for paying their creditors. The amount should be paid to creditors is 1,20,000 rupees, and the realizable amount of plant and machinery is 1,60,000 rupees. So coming to here, estimated realizable value 1,60,000 rupees. The amount which should be paid to creditors is 1,20,000 rupees. So you will get the surplus of 40,000. Estimated surplus from assets specifically pledged is 40,000, which we have found now. And estimated total assets available for preferential creditors, debenture holders secured by floating charge, and unsecured creditors is 5,75,600, which we will get from adding 5,35,600 plus 40,000 rupees. So you will get 5,75,600. And coming to the summary of gross assets, gross realizable value of assets specifically pledged. The asset specifically pledged is plant and machinery, and its realizable value is 1,60,000. And other assets value is 5,35,600, which is the total of list A, 5,35,600. Then you will get the amount of 6,95,600. Coming to the liabilities, secured creditors as per list B to the extent to which claims are estimated to be covered by specifically pledged 1,20,000, which we have got earlier, that is this amount, which means that the amount paid to be should be paid to creditors is 1,20,000, and for this assets has been pledged. Preferential creditors as per list C. Preferential creditors are the amount which the company should paid off before its winding up or liquidation, and the amounts are entry for acquired salary 8,000 plus 4,000, which is the rent, and you will get 12,000 rupees, and here rent and taxes 8,000, wages and salaries 6,000. Sum total you will get 26,000, and you want to write this amount here and here also. Estimated balance available for debenture holders and unsecured creditors is 5,49,600. You will get this amount by deducting to 26,000 rupees from 5,75,600, and you will get this amount. And debenture holders secured by first floating charge as per list D. In the question you can see the debentures is 4 lakh rupees. So you need to write 4 lakh here and here also, and you need to deduct 4 lakh from 5,49,600, and you will get 1,49,600 rupees. And bank overdraft secured by second floating charge as per list D. Going to the question you can see that bank overdraft of 2 lakh rupees. So we are deducting 2 lakh here also. You want to write 2 lakh here and here also. Deficiency as regards creditors secured floating charge is 50,400. You need to deduct 1,49,600 from 2 lakh, so you will get 50,400 rupees. Unsecured creditors as per list E, bills payable, trade creditors, bills discounted, likely to be dishonored, contingent liability 12,000. These amount can be found here in your question. Then you will get the total of 1,96,096,000, and you need to write here also, and you need to total these column, and you will get 9,42,000 rupees. Estimated deficiency as regards creditors being the difference between gross assets and gross liabilities issued and called up capital. Here the deficiency, here this sentence is another one, I have read it also, sorry. The difference between gross assets and gross liabilities will be 2,46,400, because here we are adding 1,96,000 plus 50,400, so you will get 2,46,400. In the previous case we doesn't add because it is separately given as assets and liabilities. Here we are deducting um, the each items as the items came. So here we want to add 1,96,000 plus 50,400 rupees. So you will get 2,46,400. And coming to the equity shares, 20,000 into 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each will be 4 lakh rupees. You can go to the question, you may see that for 40,000 shares were the, so here 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, 4 lakh rupees. I think I have said 20,000. It's wrong. 40,000 equity shares were there. So 40,000 shares into 10, you will get 4 lakh. This 20,000 is wrong. And rupees 8 per share called up less in arrears recoverable as per list G is 3 lakh 19,200. You may go to the question, you can see that 8 per share is the called up capital. You need to deduct the call scenario, so we'll get the amount of 3 lakh 19,200 rupees, and sum total you will get 7 lakh 19,200, and you need to add this amount with the estimated efficiency of 2,46,400. So the contributories as per list H will get 9,65,600. And trial balance, we need to do trial balance for completing deficiency account. I'm not explaining trial balance because I think it's very clear for you as an MCOM student. So please go through this trial balance. The profit and loss balance amount is 7,21,600. We need to take this amount only. Going to the deficiency account, items contributing to deficiency, excess of liabilities over assets is 7,21,600. Estimated losses now written off, which provision has been made for the purpose of preparing statement. Investments 40,000. You may go to the question. Investments you can see 40,000 because 1,20,000 was the realizable value, 1,60,000 was the book value. So there was a deficiency. Here we are taking the items which has deficiency as first. Okay. So 1,60,000 minus 1,20,000. Like that you will get 40,000. And taking plant and machinery, bills receivable, sundry debtors, bills discounted, contingent liability, stock in trade, rent and salary outstanding. I'm not going to explain each and everything. You need to understand one thing, that here deficiencies has been, the items which has deficiency is calculated firstly, which has uh, increased the value of deficiency. Plant and machinery also, bills receivables, etc. For example, plant and machinery 1,60,000 was its realizable value, but its actual value was 2,40,000. So there was a deficiency of 80,000 rupees, which we are carrying here 80,000. Like that you want to calculate each item's value of deficiency, and sum total you will get 3,24,000 rupees. And 3,24,000 plus 7,21,600, you will get 10,45,600. And land and building was the only item which reduced the deficiency, which means its value has been increased by rupees 80,000 rupees. You need to deduct the amount. And finally deficiency shown as per statement of affairs will be 9,65,600. So thank you my dear students. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.